This video is prepared to explain how MANUSpost developer works in background. When you finish watching it, you will have an idea of how APTCL file is interpreted and how an NC program is generated afterwards. Here are the basic elements that form the main structure of our post editor. Operation, event, action, command, word, and variable. These are listed from the biggest to the smallest. However, small doesn't mean it is unimportant. You can think of that, variable is the DNA of the cell, and operation is the whole body. We will go into deeper with these items now. MANUSpost developer takes the APTCL, or similar outputs from 21 different CAM systems. Some CAM programs like MasterCam, Hypermill, and PowerMill generate toolpath files that are in different formats, however we will name all these outputs as APTCL. The first thing MANUSpost developer does is to read and interpret this APTCL file. Then it converts this information to meaningful items we've just talked about. As a first step, MANUSpost developer finds all operations defined in the APTCL. There can be a single operation, or there can be many. Then, the developer identifies the types of all these operations. As the next step, MANUSpost developer, one by one, takes each line in APTCL to read and interpret them. For instance, let's take a linear motion line. As you remember, MANUSpost developer has already determined the operation and its type, to which this line belongs, in the previous step. This linear motion in the APTCL triggers an operation and an event. In addition, the amounts of movements in this linear motion are assigned to different axis variables predefined in the software. The most commonly used axis variables are coordinate x, y, z, rotary axis 1 and rotary axis 2. Motion type, G0 or G1, is also determined and stored in a variable called command type. Feed rate is also stored in another variable named as feed rate value. Do you want to watch the rest? Visit manusnc.com. First log in. Then watch the rest of the video. And many others.